Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel, dear friends. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn a little bit more Kootaksharangal, which is the compounded letters. So two parts of that is over. This is the last part, the third part. Let's get started. The first compound letter we are learning today, Ya. Ya. You know the letter Ya. So give a little bit more stress to that. Ya. And the example words are Paye. Paye. Paye means slowly. Paye means slowly. Neye. Neye. I think this is one of the words you have already learned on the 50 grocery words. Neye is ghee. Ghee, or it is called clarified butter some places. So neye. Paye, neye. So the next one is la. La. You know the letter la. So the compounded letter of that, la. The example words are illa, illa. I think most of you know the meaning of it and the pronunciation of that very clearly, illa, which means no, no. Next is palle. Palle means tooth. Palle means tooth. So that was la. The examples are illa and palle. Va, va, va is the compounded letter of the letter va, va, va. Okay, the example words are over, over. Again, this is it's kind of a colloquial word, over. Usually you will not hear from every parts of Kerala, but at some parts, yes, they do use this very often. So, over means yes, over, yes. Vawal, vawal. Vawal means bat. Bat, bat as in the bird, bat. Vawal. Okay. Next one, la, la. I know what you're thinking right now because simply if the la is the only letter coming up, that itself is very difficult for you to pronounce. Then it is compounded here, which will make it a little bit more difficult. I know that feeling, but we have some very commonly used words here as the examples so that you will it will be easy for you to learn the pronunciation. Kallan, 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 which means thief. Kallan. Talla, talla. Talla is usually referred to an old lady or sometimes to mom, like as in saying Tallayum Kuttiyum, which means mom and the baby, mom and the kid. But there is one thing, even though this is like a very commonly used word, there is one thing I would like to mention. I personally, I'm coming from the north part of Kerala. So this word, Talla, if we are using to refer to a lady, then that is not um, like it is not considered as a respectful addressing of a person because that is kind of cursing. So that is in the north part of Kerala. So if you come into the south part, it is very commonly used to refer old ladies or even mom. So that's a thing. Um, to be on the safer side, you can do one thing. You can always address an old lady with the word amma. So that won't cause any problems to you. But I was just saying, but you can hear this a word used in films and in daily conversations um, in most of the part of Kerala. So uh, that were the examples Kallan and Talla. Kallan, Talla. Okay. The last one is ta. Ta. This might be a confusing compound letter because when it is written vertically, the two of the symbols written vertically, you can understand it easier. But what if it is written horizontally? Because individually they represent the letter Ra. So you might tend to read it like Ra Ra, Ra Ra instead of Ta. But to make it easier, the explanation for that is there is no Malayalam word where it will come like ra ra. Instead, you just read it as ta. So that is the easier method to do that. So here are our examples, and there is one more thing, like I think in the modern script it is always written vertically, so there will not be much confusion for you people. Okay, so here is the examples. Attam, attam, attam means edge. Attam means edge. So the sound should come from the front part of your mouth, that is like the tongue touching the upper set of your teeth. Attam, attam. Okay, and next one is kuttam. Kuttam, kuttam means crime. Crime is kuttam, or also it can be used in the context where blame is used, like kuttam parega, blame someone. Kuttam parega is also gossip about someone. So kuttam is crime or blame. Kuttam, attam. So that was the last word. So here comes an end to the Kootaksharangal. I hope you learned all those Aksharangal very well. And there's one thing I would like to tell you. Fluent in Malayalam is now there in Instagram. Come start following there. You can learn a word a day there. Already a lot of you have subscribed there. Thank you so much for the support. Come join all of us. We learn together. And for all those people who are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Support it. I'll come with another chapter very soon. Thanks for watching. Nani, Namaskaram.